All right, where I left off a few days ago, I was doing some trial fitting, stuff like that, and it's definitely a learning curve with this one. The other one was a lot smaller, a lot simpler. I still haven't figured out this thing with the idler arms, idler pulleys, but I'm going to work on that next. I had the clearance down here a little bit, so I got to clean that up a little. Looks like the rough fit's going to be okay. We pushed it down as far as we can get it, and nothing hit. It was some room, but I'm just still worried if I hit a bump or something like that. The other issue I'm going to run into is the charge pipe. It looks like it's going to hit right here. But I got a smaller, a 1/2-inch carb spacer coming, I think on Tuesday, so I may not have to trim that at all. So thank God, because I really hate cutting the car, even if it's just part of a brace underneath the hood. It's just something I tried to stay away from as I was doing this. So I'm going to get it together on today. I want to get the belt on it. I finally fixed the alternator issue. I had to buy another one because when I put it together, I couldn't get the bolt on the other one. It said something about the spacer. I tried a different spacer under the alternator fan, but that did not fix the problem. So I found another one, and it's 105 amp, which I kind of needed. I was still running a 63 amp on it, and a lot of electrical shit in here. So once I get the blower back on and the belt, then I'll see what I have to do with the alternator. It kind of looks like it's going to be okay. I mean, I got stuff loose right now, and it looks pretty damn close, so I don't think I'll have to be doing too much of it. But it's definitely a nice kit. Came through with a lot of stuff I probably wouldn't even have thought of getting. Another thing I figured out is the air cleaner they gave me ain't going to fit. So I found a few more that look like they will, so I'm going to go with that. I was just waiting to hear back from some people who've used them before to make sure they had no problem with it. But I'm going to get back to work, and today, I want to start this up today, even if I can't drive it, but I definitely want to start it up. So, I'll be back shortly. Okay, again, Christy to the rescue. I couldn't get the belt on, and she goes, why don't you spray some glass cleaner on it? I didn't laugh because she's usually right, and I put glass cleaner on it, and it slid on. Unbelievable. Nice job. Yep, she didn't take a shower yet, so she's hiding.
Yes.
Probably no bra, stuff like that, but...
No, cleaning the house.
Where'd you go?
Yeah, Why are you taking the blower off?
Somebody's going to buy it tomorrow.
You're replacing it, right?
I am replacing it, but I don't know if you'd be happy. So, don't ask too many questions yet.
Of course.
Give it a kiss.
No.
Rub it.
No.
Give it a rub.
No.
Just rub the fucking thing.
Nope.
I tried, guys. She's camera shy. Well, Chrissy, since this is a bigger one, a lot bigger, I think you should give it a rub. Oh, yeah, there you go. There you go. Slap that thing.
It's still got lipstick on it.
Yeah. Oh, so you've been kissing it.
Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm.
When do you wear lipstick? Holy shit, it looks like a rainbow. What have you been doing?
Shut up.
All right, goodbye. Well, this is pretty much going to end this short video of part 2. But I got everything hooked up. Oil's in it. Looks like the alternator, everything actually lined up pretty easy and pretty good parts from Procharger, so it's definitely worth the money. But I still got to do something with the air cleaner, because that ain't fitting. That ain't gonna fit down in there. Ain't gonna happen. I always said I was going to convert this to manual disc brakes, but never did, so. Right now I got to just live with it. I know they have some shorter ones, so I'm going to try to measure it and see what I can come up with. Really, that's about it for today. Really, all that's left is the pipe and blow-off valve. And putting some fittings in the carb hat. So, definitely close. I really wanted to start it today, but I'm not going to rush it. It's just not worth it. God forbid I did something wrong. So, well, in another day or two, I'll be back at it. And hopefully I'll figure out the charge pipe by then and figure where the blow-off valve is going to go, because there's really not a lot of room. And, you know, I don't want to cut this out. There's one thing I said when I started building this car was I wanted to keep it intact. I know it's just bracing and everything, but I just can't bring myself to do it. Well, thanks for watching, and look for part 3.